Hello, how do we solve this equation? 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of x could be written as 7 to the power of x plus x equal to 100. This implies that 7x plus x, that is 3x, equal to 100. Now, let us take natural log of both sides, log of both sides. So that will be log 7 to the power of 3x equal to log 100. Now recall that log a to the power of m is equal to m times log a. So applying this identity to this left hand side, we have 3x times log 7 equal to log 100. Let's continue. 3x times log 7 is equal to log 100 could be written as 4 times 25. So we have 3x times log 7 equal to, recall that log AB is equal to log A plus log B. Applying this identity to this right hand side, we have log 4 plus log 25. Let's continue. This implies that 3x times log 7 is equal to log 4 could be written as 2 square plus log 25 could be written as 5 square. This implies that 3x times log 7 is equal to log 2 square is the same thing as writing 2 times log 2 plus log 5 square is also the same thing as writing 2 times log 5. Let's continue. Now, divide both sides by log 7. So let us do that. This implies that 3x times log 7 divided by log 7 is equal to this 2 times log 2 divided by log 7 plus 2 times log 5 divided by log 7. Clearly, log 7 cancel log 7. We are left with 3x equal to 2 times log 2 divided by log 7 plus 2 times log 5 divided by log 7. This is 7. Let's continue. At this stage, let's recall this beautiful property. It says whenever we have log A over log B, this equal to log A base B. Take note of this. So from this line, we're going to have 3x equal to 2. Applying this identity to this quotient, we simply have log 2 base 7 plus 2. Applying this identity again to these quotients, we simply have log 5 base 7. This implies that if we divide through by 3, we're going to have x equal to 2 times log 2 base 7 plus 2 times log 5 base 7 divided by 3. This is the required solution, but let's verify if this answer is correct. Verify. The original question says 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of x times 7 to the power of x is equal to 100. But we know that this left hand side is simply 7 to the power of 3x. So this is equal to 100. What we have to do now is to plug in this value of x into this power. So we're going to have 7 raised to 3 into these guys. So that will be 2 times log 2 base 7 plus 2 times log 5 base 7 divided by 3 equal to what? Equals to 100. This is our claim. This implies that clearly this 3 takes care of this 3. We are left with 7 raised to 2 times log 2 base 7 plus 2 times log 5 base 7 equal to 100. This is our claim. This implies that this whole guy, we can rewrite it as 7 raised to 2 times log 2 base 7 times 7 raised to 2 times log 5 base 7 equal to 100. This is our claim. This implies that 7, if we move these 2 up, we simply have log 2 square base 7 times 7. If we also move these 2 up here, we have log 5 square base 7 equal to 100. Let's continue. This implies that 7 raised to log, what is 2 square? 2 times 2, 4, base 7 times 7 raised to log, what is 5 square? 5 times 5, 25, base 7 equal to 100. Now, let's recall another very beautiful property. It says a raised to log b base a is equal to b. Take note of this. Applying this identity to this guy first, what do we have? We simply have 4 times. Applying this identity again to this guy, what do we have? We simply have 25 equal to 100. Now, 4 times 25, that is 100, equal to 100. You will see that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. That means the answer we got here is indeed correct. That's it. Thanks for watching.